Hello, my name is Steve Hillis and I'm here to talk to you about sociology. We're going to be using these videos for my Social 100 class and probably for another class as well, Social Problems. The point of these videos is to give you a little bit more background information on various sociological topics and ideas. What we're going to start out with is, well, major sociological theories. Theories that help sociologists understand how the social world works. Theories that have had a huge impact on sociology as a discipline. Functionalism, conflict theories, and interactionism. More on that in a second. At any rate, the point now is to kind of explain to you why we're going to be talking about these various sociological perspectives or theories. First of all, it's going to be something we test pretty heavily. It's going to come up repeatedly in our class, and to understand what we're talking about in sociology, you really have to understand some of the basic approaches and ways of looking at society the sociologists employ. Because you've got to start someplace. At the beginning, you begin to ask questions, frame issues, understanding or looking at what problems you're going to look at, what questions you're going to ask, what variables you're going to inspect, and so forth. Where does all that come from? Well, basically, you start out by making assumptions about the social world, about human nature, about society, how it works, how things go together. Where do those assumptions and focuses and concerns come from? Well, in sociology, a lot of times they come from our basic theories. We don't just pull things out of thin air. We pull them out of, well, theoretical perspectives that have developed slowly over the course of our discipline and have been tested over and over again. Over time, sociologists have developed many theories, many different approaches to studying societies. But again, we're only going to focus on three major bodies of theory. Now notice I said bodies of theory. Technically, I may use terms like theories here, conflict theories. That's maybe a little misleading. When we usually use words like theories, we're talking about very specific things that allow us to, well, make predictions about specific things. When we talk about major sociological theories, however, it might be better to think of these as paradigms or perspectives, broad schools of thought, approaches, ways of looking at society, ways of studying society. Rather than specific theories, each of these major sociological perspectives or paradigms really have tons of different assumptions, a huge vocabulary, research methods, and of course, once again, they do make tons of assumptions about the way the social world works. Before you begin to study society, you've got to start someplace, and that usually means starting with some kind of theoretical foundation. Now, for more practical purposes, remember that you're going to need to know what each of these perspectives or paradigms is and how they're different from each other. You're going to be able to, you should be able, I should say, to be able to use these various perspectives to understand and talk about and think about various topics. And once again, this is going to come up over and over again in lecture, in your reading material, in quizzes, tests, and so forth. So this is as good a time as any to begin to deal with them. At any rate, our very first set of videos will be on functionalism, our oldest sociological perspective, and we'll get to that in our next video. Before I finish, however, I do want to point out one quick thing. As you can tell, the production values on this video are, well, pretty lame, to be kinder, maybe simple and straightforward. Hopefully our later videos at some point will begin to look a little nicer, but this is our very first attempt to use videos outside of class, and we decided to keep it really simple and straightforward, so what you see is what you get. Hopefully you'll be able to follow along with us, and once again, our very next video will be on an introduction to functionalism. Thank you.